if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make that cinematic speed recap effect that I just showed you in the beginning. It's going to be a quick tutorial, but I really hope it helps you out. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. So right now we're in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have a couple of random clips on my timeline. Let's say this is your footage, you've done editing, and now you want to apply that cinematic kind of montage speed recap effect, right? This effect is going to work better if your footage is a couple of minutes long. I have a couple of random clips on my timeline, and the first thing we're going to want to do is select all these clips. So I'm going to press Command A, that's Control A if you're on Windows. And after selecting all of these clips, I'm going to right click and I'm going to nest them into a nested sequence. And we can call this anything we want. We can call this recap, right? And I'm going to press OK. And what this is going to do is it's going to turn all your clips into one nested sequence, right? So we are going to be operating on this nested sequence. But if you feel like you've messed up somewhere and you want to like go back and change something, all you need to do is just come here to your media panel and just click on this recap nested sequence. And if you do that, it will open up a new window in your editing timeline with all your footage that is in that nested sequence, right? So there's nothing to really worry about. So step 2, after we are done nesting all our clips into a nested sequence, I'm going to press R on my keyboard, which is going to bring out my red stretch tool. And it's this tool right here. And what I'm going to do is click on this clip, and then I'm going to go right to the edge of this clip, and I'm going to click and hold, and I'm going to drag this in, right? And as I drag it in, it's showing me the new duration of the clip. I'm going to drag this in to the point where I think I'm going to need to zoom in a little bit. And to get that cinematic speed recap effect, you really need to make this really fast. It needs to be fast, like super fast, right? You don't want it to look like some kind of sped up footage. It needs to be really fast if you want to get that cinematic speed recap effect. I'm going to bring mine in a little bit more. I guess he's okay. And once you're done scaling in your clip, you're going to notice that you have this red line on your timeline. That basically means you need to render out your clip first before you actually preview it and see how it looks. So I'm going to press enter on my keyboard and let it render. And once it's done rendering, we can preview it and see how it looks. And if you feel like it's a bit slow or it's very fast for your taste, all you need to do is just come back to the red stretch tool, click it, and you can speed it up a bit more, or you can make it a bit slower, right? It really depends on your taste. But what you need to know is if you make more adjustments to it, you're going to have to render it out again before you can actually preview it. And don't forget, you can also add effects to this nested clip, right? So if you want to like add a black and white to it, you can just search black and white and you can drop it on this nested clip and all your clips will be black and white, right? It really depends on the taste you're going for. But that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I really hope this video helped you out. And if it did, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any new videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.